Tēnā koutou katoa, ngā mihi nui kia koutou. My apologies I can't join you in person today, but I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you in Otautahi and to those of you who have joined from around the globe. As leaders in the mental health and disability sectors, the work you do is incredibly important. This has been particularly clear through the unprecedented challenges of the past few years as we've worked together to protect one another. Inclusion, resilience and growth, the themes of the leadership exchange, are vital to the challenges we face today. We must ensure that every person has the opportunity to be included and belong, to participate and contribute, and ultimately to be enabled to live a good life. These goals are a priority for our government. Following He Ara Oranga, the government inquiry into mental health and addiction in 2018, we developed an ambitious work program to fundamentally transform the way we approach mental health and addiction in Aotearoa, New Zealand. The inquiry identified that here in New Zealand, an important missing piece of the puzzle was support for people with mild to moderate mental health and addiction needs. To address this, we're vastly expanding access to primary mental health and addiction services, putting support into general practices across the country, and creating targeted, community-based services for Māori, Pacific, youth and rainbow communities. And so far, we've delivered 500,000 sessions through this program. We're also supporting children through Mana Ake, our dedicated wellbeing and mental health support program in schools, and we're investing to grow our workforce. But we know that supporting the mental wellbeing of New Zealanders does not rest solely with the health system. This is why, through our wellbeing budgets and our wider work in housing, education and social development, our government is working hard to support the wellbeing of all New Zealanders. In the disability space, I'm very proud to say that we've established a new ministry, Whaikaha, the Ministry of Disabled People. Whaikaha will lead a true partnership between the disability community, Māori and government and help transform the disability system. We know that people must be at the centre of our policy development, that those it is about and their whānau must be part of the governance, planning and service development decisions. We can also learn from other countries and other experiences, just as you're doing through today's leadership exchange. I want to acknowledge the range of leaders participating here today for all of your work. It is life-changing. In Aotearoa, our sense of manaakitanga and kotahitanga, of care and unity, is deeply embedded in who we are, and you embody this. We know there is more to do, and none of us can do it alone. It's going to take all of us working together, but you have our full support and our commitment. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa.